This is an Adria Compact. Now, when I first saw this, I was really impressed by it, and that was a couple of years ago. Let's see if I'm still super impressed by it. First thing, note, it's on a VW base. I wonder why they've put it on the Volkswagen and not one of the Fiat, Citroen or Peugeots. Anyway, 104,000 euros it costs, and so on you can put on a 3.5 or 3,880 gross vehicle weight, claimed ready to go 3,200, so it doesn't really leave a lot, does it, if it's on 3,500. And 7 meter by 217 by 283. 217, okay, it's not as thin as some models like done by Chausson, for example, but all the same, it is still pretty thin as a vehicle. Note, there's a double floor. We've got elegant kitchen block, quite a fat kitchen block in fact, lots of drawers in it. Coming to the back here, very bright, unusual way of doing the window, storage along the back wall, and space for your television up there. Under the bed we can find, down there we have a wardrobe. In this case, as an extra option, you can have one with a missing door. And here, more storage. Down there, this opens. Oh, sorry, after no. There we go. And in the step as well, this lifts up. When I was opening this, for some reason I thought that the step was something partially open. Anyway, and here as well, a little bit more storage. Right, good. Lovely washroom with a false wall. It's got drainage at either end, very modern, and there's the false wall in action. Unfortunately, you have to put it to one side to get access to the shower, but even so, the shower is pretty big. I mean, for a 7 meter motorhome. Here's the door, and there is the window. Here we have fridge which opens both ways, storage below it. This kitchen block here has a what's happened here? Proper drawers, sides to the drawers. They're lightweight but done properly. Sink is quite deep, it's got a proper domestic drainage point. 2 burners there. I can't see the point of this, but I suppose a spice rack and it's relatively high. Yeah, no, it's not too bad, except for the fact it's got a hole in it. So what do you do with that? So I suppose cloths, I suppose, go in there. I don't know. I didn't build the thing. And note here, lots of light coming in at the front. Now the VW tends to be a bit on the expensive side as far as base vehicles are concerned. However, I think Hobby's got too many to get rid of, so they have got campervans which are really comparatively cheap on the Volkswagen base. There's another problem as well, because Knaus Tabbert bought a stack of the things because Volkswagen were going to discontinue the model for certain models of theirs which they then didn't sell, and they've got lots and lots of them just lying around doing nothing, and with the bank screaming at them for their money. Anyway, note, flat floor all the way back. Let's have a look down here if I can lift it up. Yeah, it's a bit of storage, not very deep, but you can tell from the outside it's not really very deep. Right, so let's have a think about some of the positive sides on this. It's thin, compact, it's got just about everything. As far as the internal style, yeah, it does look a bit like, I suppose, a hospital. But I do like this. I like the colour of this. I like the way that sort of blends in. Push that in there like that. I find that rather attractive. Door's got a window and a bin for the dog's lead. There is external storage here, which is not locked, which I can't open. And that is what you're storing in there, your water. So why would you need access from here if you haven't got a place to pour it in at? I'm sure there's a good reason for that. Because you can't even clean it from here, can you? It's not like the canal service box, you can clean it. I don't know. But there you go, there's your water inlet, water goes in there. I'm sure there's a good reason for that. Just I don't know it. Right, in here I notice there's a lead going, and I'm not going to touch that because there's a lead going in there. Don't upset somebody else's work. And in here, lovely large garage, storage there, electric plugs, you can charge your bike up if necessary. Very good. So I think I'll give that Adria Compact Max my seal of approval, even if it does cost 104,000 euros. You also have this other one here. It's a Compact Supreme, which I'll show it to you because it is quite relevant to this one here. This is on a Fiat Ducato base, and measurements, if I remember rightly, are they're all the same, I think. Set 212 centimeters width, so it's even narrower. Okay, it's a different layout, but the front face to face. I'm personally not so keen on face to face, but that's me. Other people probably are. But for the price on this thing here, it's about 10,000 euros cheaper. So it's on the the VW is accounted for 10,000 effectively. It's very difficult to actually say prices because it depends on the equipment level, and that is a vital part of the pricing. So thank you very much for watching. I upload every day at 21:15. It's the largest selection of motorhomes and campervans on the internet. I film them from one year to the other. This one here I've just filmed for the first time. I have never seen it before. This is the first time I ever saw the Adria Compact on a VW base. But you can find some others, such as the Compact on a Fiat Ducato base over the years, to see how much it has changed. For the moment, from me in Düsseldorf, thanks for watching and listen to the music.